Okay, last question of the paper, and it's actually quite a gentle question. So find the value of sine squared 0 plus blah blah until sine squared of 90. Okay, this is really a classic question. I mean, if you're, if you do Olympiad maths like throughout your life, you probably have seen this question before. So, I mean, it's probably intuition at this point, right? So, and sine squared. So how do I sort of eliminate the sine squared? Well, I need sort of a complementary cosine to eliminate it, right? Because I know that sine squared of 1 plus the cosine squared of 1 equals to 1, right? So that's the method of eliminating it, essentially. Okay, so let's have a think about this. So also we need the formula sine of 90 minus theta equals to cosine theta. All right, we have to know this formula. All right, if we don't, then you should learn your trigonometry better. Okay, so in that case, what is sine 89? Sine 89 is just cosine of 1, right? It's just cosine of 1. Yeah, and so on and so on. This is cosine of 2. So these things are complementary, right? And so on, blah, blah. Let's think about what happens in the middle. Well, I have sine squared 44 plus sine squared 45 plus sine squared 46. Okay, these two are complementary, and this one is the odd one now, right? The 45 is the odd one now. And obviously the 90 also has no friends, okay? So we have to take care of that. Well, I mean the 0 is just 0, so we don't have to care about that. So let's have a think. How many pairs have I got? So I've got until sine squared 44, right? So I've got 44 pairs, so 44 ones essentially, okay, times 1 I suppose. Okay, and sine squared of 90 is 1, right? This is 1, so I plus 1. What is sine squared of 45? We know that sine of 45 equals to 1 on root 2, yeah? If I square that, that gives me 1/2. So what is that? 45 and a half, 45.5. Okay, standard procedure, not the hardest. No more explanation needed, hopefully. Okay.